In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files with NordVPN Meshnet across your devices. If you've ever wanted a simple and secure way to move files between your computer and phone, or share something with a trusted friend or colleague, Meshnet makes it straightforward by creating an encrypted private connection between devices. First, install the NordVPN app on every device you plan to use. It's available for Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. Grab it from the official website or your device's app store to ensure you're getting the genuine app. Once installed, open the app on each device and sign in with your NordVPN account. Using the same account across your own devices helps Meshnet recognize and link them automatically. Next, enable Meshnet. On desktop, look for the diamond icon in the app's sidebar and toggle Meshnet on. On mobile, open the profile section and switch on Meshnet there. This activates the secure tunnel that lets your devices see each other safely over the internet, even if they're on different networks. When it comes to linking devices, your personal devices under the same account typically appear automatically in Meshnet. If you want to connect with an external device, say a family member's laptop, send an invitation right from the app using their email. They'll receive a request, and once they accept, their device will show up as available for secure connections. As a quick tip, make sure both of you have Meshnet turned on and the app running when you're trying to link. Now for sharing files from a desktop. Locate the file or folder you'd like to send, then right-click it. Hover over the option that says Send with NordVPN Meshnet, and choose the target device from the list. A prompt will appear. Click Send to confirm. On the other end, the recipient will get a notification to accept the download. Once they approve, the transfer starts securely. For smooth transfers, keep both devices online and avoid putting them to sleep until the file has finished sending. If you don't see a device in the list, double-check that Meshnet is enabled on both sides and that the invitation has been accepted. Also, larger files may take longer depending on your internet speed, so give it time to complete. That's it. You've installed NordVPN, signed in on your devices, enabled Meshnet, linked devices, and shared files with just a right click. Keep Meshnet on when you need quick, secure transfers, and turn it off when you're done. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.